Ever split a bill with friends and wished there was a smoother way? Well, in Norway, they've got it figured out. Vipps, the country's leading mobile payment app, has become a way of life. But just how big is it? Buckle up, because we're about to dive into the world of Vipps transactions. Imagine this: you're grabbing coffee with a friend, the bill arrives, and instead of fumbling with cash or cards, you simply open an app, type in a number, and voila! Payment sent. That's the beauty of Vipps. It's fast, secure, and incredibly popular. But popularity begs a question: how popular exactly? The rise of a cashless king. Vipps launched in 2015, offering a peer-to-peer payment solution that resonated deeply with Norwegians. Its simplicity, sending money feels like sending a text, fueled rapid adoption. Within just 6 months, it boasted 1 million users, a testament to its convenience. Fast forward to today, and Vipps has become a titan in the Norwegian financial landscape. Numbers don't lie, unveiling the transaction totals. Now, let's get down to brass tacks. While Vipps doesn't publicly disclose its exact transaction numbers every month, we can glean some impressive insights. In December 2022, Vipps, along with its sister platform MobilePay, announced they'd crossed a monumental milestone: 1 billion transactions processed in a single year. To put that in perspective, let's break it down. Vipps, primarily used in Norway, facilitated a staggering 440 million transactions in that year. That's a massive chunk of the nation's financial activity coursing through this single app. Here's the kicker: this number represented nearly 20% growth over the previous year. Beyond peer-to-peer, a payment powerhouse, Vipps isn't just about splitting bills with friends. It's become a comprehensive payment solution. You can use it to pay for goods and services at stores, settle bills with utility companies, make online purchases. This versatility has further cemented Vipps' position as an essential financial tool for everyday Norwegians. Looking ahead, a cashless future with Vipps. With its user base and transaction volume skyrocketing, Vipps shows no signs of slowing down. As it expands its offerings and integrates further with businesses, it's likely to play an even bigger role in shaping Norway's financial future. The success of Vipps highlights the growing global trend towards cashless societies. It offers a glimpse into a world where physical wallets become relics of the past and seamless digital transactions reign supreme. So, the next time you're splitting a bill or pondering the future of payments, remember Vipps, the Norwegian powerhouse that's redefining how money moves. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.